Message to the world about the birds and bees with all this targeted stuff going on against humans, Americans, coward stuff. Come on, it's obvious. We all know. Nobody's retarded. You know what I'm saying? Check out that little poison lump. Ooh, that motherfucker. Excuse my French. It's growing back. Then they're about to be popping out farther in my neck. Anyhow, the reality, God made Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve, not Eve and Eva. And if every person on the earth was gay or had an abortion, there'd be nothing but animals left here in less than 100. Dang near around 50. So how much of a part of God's plan do you think that really is? It's not hard to tell. It's not. Really simple. No offense to our gay brothers and sisters. We always go and pray for them and hope they can share the greatest blessing that the Almighty God has gave us, which is having kids, living forever. That's already immortal. We're already immortal, living through our kids, being godly, appreciating what the great Creator has given us. So many people acting like there's no great Creator. You think this stuff just appeared out of nowhere? All us people? Whoever is in charge, what kind of intelligence do y'all have? There's people acting like it's no great Creator, like there's no God. Are y'all serious? Y'all think this just poof out of nowhere, huh? Not even out of space fart, because obviously if a space fart happened, the great Creator had to be behind it. And just for reference, there's definitely a great Creator, okay? That created all this. And all these evil people doing all this stuff, evil stuff, just to keep control and keep money. Me personally, all I want to do is live my life, be a good father to my children, be a good person in life, appreciate the great Creator and all this beautiful stuff around us, you know, but it's a lot of devils that don't want that. Almighty God bless everyone.